Welcome to our channel. Spotify Connect allows you to control music playback on speakers, smart TVs, gaming consoles, and other devices directly from your phone, even when you're not at home. Step 1. Ensure all devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, your phone and the device you want to play music on. Step 2. Open the Spotify app on your smartphone or tablet and sign into your Spotify Premium account, as Connect requires a premium subscription. Step 3. Start playing any song, playlist, or podcast on your mobile device. Step 4. Look for the Available Devices icon at the bottom of the playback screen. It looks like a speaker with radio waves or a TV and speaker. Step 5. Tap the Available Devices icon to see a list of all compatible devices on your network. Step 6. Browse through the list of available devices including speakers, smart TVs, computers, gaming consoles, and other Spotify Connect-enabled devices. Step 7. Select the device you want to transfer playback to by tapping on its name. Step 8. Wait a moment while Spotify transfers your music to the selected device. The song will briefly pause, then resume playing on the new device. Step 9. Control volume, skip tracks, pause, or play directly from your phone even though the music is playing on another device. Step 10. The green Available Devices icon indicates which device is currently playing your music. Step 11. Transfer playback between multiple devices throughout your home by tapping the Available Devices icon and selecting a different device. Step 12. To return playback to your phone, tap the Available Devices icon and select this phone or this device from the list. Step 13. Use the Spotify app to create multi-room audio by selecting multiple compatible speakers simultaneously if your devices support this feature. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.